Hi everyone, join me today for a relaxing breathing practice to help you clear the head, refocus the energy, and transform stress into calm. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground, soften your knees, and drop your tailbone down to release your lower back. Keep your spine nice and straight, your shoulders relaxed. Release the back of the neck by reaching upwards through the crown of the head. Take a moment here to settle in, to ground yourself, and to become aware of your entire body. We're going to begin with abdominal breathing. Feel free to close your eyes here and bring your attention inward. Breathing in and out your nose. Inhale into your belly. Exhale softly. Breathe in. Feel your belly expand into your hands. Breathe out, let relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your chest nice and relaxed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe normally and let your hands relax by your side. Continue breathing in and out your nose. Go ahead and take a nice full breath in. Exhale fully. Let your arms relax down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Bring your attention to your breath. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Relax your chest. Relax your ribcage. Relax your whole body. Next, focusing on the center of the chest, we're going to inhale, open your hands, open your chest to the sky. Exhale, bend your knees and sink down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Focusing on the sound of your own breath. Breathe in. Feel your chest opens. Breathe out. Soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let your hands relax. Breathe normally. And stay fully present on the sensations in your body and your breath. From here, lean forward from your hips. Let your hands relax. Look ahead of you. Relax your neck and shoulders. And taking a nice deep breath in through the nose, raise up. Look up, opening through the front. Exhale fully, let your whole body relax. Go forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. All the movements are soft and linked to your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Every time you exhale, feel that wave of relaxation flowing down your body. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax for a moment. Continue breathing deeply into your abdomen. From here, we're gonna inhale. Stand up a little taller. Open your chest. Graceful posture here. Then exhale. Sink down. Relaxing through the lower back. Breathe in as you stand up. Breathe out as you sink down. Imitating the movement of a big wave. Go up and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stay relaxed in your body. Breathing deeply into your abdomen. Find softness and comfort in the movement. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Staying fully aware of your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Exhale fully. Return to normal breathing and relax your whole body. Then round your hands to place just below your navel. Soft knees, relaxed lower back, nice long spine. We're going to finish with abdominal breathing, focusing on ourselves, the area inside your belly, and the quality of your breath. Feel free to close your eyes here. Breathing in and out the nose. Inhale into your belly. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your breath slow and deep. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax here. And let your hands rest by the side. One more time. Take a nice deep breath in. Come up on your toes. And full breath out. lightly washing over your body, bringing your ease, comfort, and calmness. You can take as long as you need here to do your meditation or to simply rest and enjoy the sensations, the feelings that you have in your body. Otherwise, finish your practice. Thank you for joining me. I hope you feel calmer and more present. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.